Let's look at another preprocessor operator, which is macro continuation. So let me show you an example. Hash define of square of something x. This is macros with arguments, which we have already seen, by the way. So this is our macro definition. So from inside main, I'll call squr and pass a value to it. I'll pass 5 to it. So let me even print that out, the values of squaring this number 5. So I'll just type %d/n and just print the output. So in this case 25 should get printed onto the console window, and it's working. What if we had lot of code and we need to switch to new line? In that case it throws error. So in such situations we need to use macro continuation, which is a preprocessor operator. So it starts working once again. So let me show you a more apt thing, that is, let me print out the entire thing inside this definition itself, that is macro definition. So I'll write square of %d is %d /n, x, x, x. So from within main method, I'll simply call squr of 5 and it should print the entire result. So let's check that. Yeah, square of 5 is 25, which is correct. But we still have a single line of code, so we could have written it in the same line, right? So this macro continuation doesn't seem much useful in such cases. So let me write an entire switch case as a macro expansion here. So let me remove these things. I'll write a macro called company and pass x to it. Okay, let me write switch case for that, but before that let me invoke this company macro. I'll write switch case here, switch of x. So opening brackets, so macro continuation now. In the next line I'll write the cases. Case 1, if user passes 1, I'll print maybe Oracle, some company names 1. I'll also write the user choice, which is 1 /n. In the same line I'll even write break statement. So let me copy this, and don't forget to have macro continuation at the end. So this is case 2. If user enters 2, I'll print out IBM. So at the end make sure to have macro continuation symbol. Case 3, so this is third choice. I'll display Ripple. Okay, that's it. Let me have a default case 2 here. default, default. So default, maybe some banks. All these are some dummy data. So at the end macro continuation. After that you could safely remove that break statement, since default is the last case here. So closing braces. So I'll pass 2 to it. Let me align this a bit. Okay, so company of 2, that should print 2.ibm, and that's working clearly. So let me show you for some other selection. I'll pass 3 here, so it should print Ripple, and it's working. What if I give 50 or something like that, for which we don't have any cases here? For that, the statements inside default should get printed, that is default of banks. So that's working. So this is how we make use of macro continuation, which is a preprocessor operator to have multiple lines of code for macro expansion. That's it. So please visit the link present in the description section of this YouTube video for source code, notes and discussion about this topic. Please stay subscribed to our YouTube channel and blog. Share this video with your friends on WhatsApp, Telegram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, etc. And please do not forget to like this video on YouTube. Thank you.